Good day, Mamamagos. Today I will demonstrate or report our 7-segment display. So first, we need to have these components needed for our 7-segment. We need one breadboard, jumper wires, resistors, 4 1K ohms for BCD switch, and 7 470 ohms for current limiting resistor between our IC and 7-segment. For BCD switch, one 7-segment display, and lastly, one 7447 IC. Step 1. Prepare the breadboard. Connect all red positive rails together and all blue negative rails together across the breadboard to create a continuous power ground distribution system. Step 2. Mount components. Mount the 4-position BCD switch and 7447 IC firmly on the breadboard. The IC must span the central dividing gap for proper pin isolation. Ensure no pins are bent or loose. Step 3. Wire the BCD switch pull-down resistor. Use 1K resistors. Connect one end of each resistor to a BCD switch signal pin and the other end to the negative or the ground rail. These are pull-down resistors, so they tie a new switch lines to ground. Add red jumper wires from each BCD switch signal pin to the positive rail. This completes the switch circuit. When a switch position is selected, it connects the signal pin to ground. When not selected, the pull-down keeps it low, and the 5 volts wire provides logic high when the switch is in the correct position. Step 4. Connect power to the 7447 IC. Use a red jumper wire to connect 7447 pin 16 to the positive rail. Use blue jumper wire to connect 7447 pin to the negative ground rail. Step 5. Connect BCD switch to 7447 inputs. Correct BCD pin assignment. Standard 7447 pin out defines A or the least significant bit at pin 7 and D the most significant bit at pin 6. So the switch 1 to pin 7 or the A. Then switch signal number 2 to IC pin 1, which is B. Then switch signal number 3 to IC pin 2, which is C. And lastly, switch signal number 4 to IC pin 6 or D, most significant bit. Step 6. Set up 7447 control pins. Connect pin 3 or the lamp test, pin 4 BI RBO and pin 5 RBI to the positive rail with red jumpers. This disables special function and enables normal digit display. Step 7. Install current limiting resistors. Mount the 7 resistors in between the 7-segment display and the 7447 IC segment. Then step 8. Connect the 7-segment display. So IC pin 13 to segment pin 7, IC pin 12 to display pin 6, IC pin 11 to segment pin 4, IC pin 10 to segment pin 2, IC pin 9 to segment pin 1, IC pin 15 to segment pin 9, IC 14 to segment pin 10. Connect the display pin 3 and N to common anode pins or the positive rail.